Trang, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
North end of the beach of Nha Trang, and the sunset's going to come upon us pretty soon. It's about 5:30. We're just going to walk down this way, and we'll try to make sense of this portion of the beach as we go down it. And there's some nice hotels right over there. It's a Sunrise Hotel. Okay, so we're going to show you another slice of Nha Trang. It's a Tuesday night. It's July 2nd, 2024. Okay, here I am in my winter clothes in Macau, Hong Kong. But meanwhile, I'm gonna go visit Nha Trang through the video, so you can see exactly where we're at the map, and we're just gonna be doing a little bit of a stroll down the beach. So the northern part, if you divide the city beach into the southern and northern, this will be basically the northern part. And we'll put the music up there as well. And we got a lot more in Nha Trang too, so there's at least another 10 or 11 more. So like, subscribe, and keep following along. So okay, let's get into the video. Walk and talk, narrating time. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk along this way, and then we'll try to make sense of this whole space. We do have a small park, and then this one has a boardwalk, and it's different in different spots. Let's go up into the bulk of people over there. Okay, so we're on the boardwalk, and we have a lot of people way down in this area. So we're gonna check it all out. Oops. So yeah, this is kind of the northern end of it, and I don't know. I guess these are maybe mostly Vietnamese. We're playing this game here. Okay, so I don't know. Looks like there's a lot of games in here. So looks like there's another one over here too. Okay, so I don't know if it's like the Chinese game, but they look at Vietnamese. Looks like there's more of it over here. Yeah, there's more here. And I think this is definitely a really good game here. Vietnamese for sure, yeah. Okay, so I guess this is definitely the Vietnamese end of the beach. And I think the center part I saw a lot of Russians and Koreans. And then this part of the beach seems to be a lot of Vietnamese. but I think we're gonna see a lot of different people. I might walk all the way down in there and see. Okay, so we're gonna go down, and it looks like it's basically Vietnamese, which is funny because before I came to Nha Trang, I heard it was like nothing but Russians. There's maybe a couple Russians that I can see over there. Okay, let's get down a little bit closer. Okay, so this is Nha Trang Beach. We're on the northern end. Lots of lifeguards. So maybe this is a popular spot for kids. Almost everybody has life preserver. So we're gonna go down and we'll see if we can see a little bit. There's a vendor right here. So yeah, this is basically the north end of the beach. There's a vendor, so she's selling something. So let's give you a little reference. So this is Northern Bay Hotel right there, and then Sheridan, and then way down there there's a big there's some stuff down there that's so they're playing soccer right there. But way down there there's a spherical thing that you won't be able to see very easily, but that's the center part of Nha Trang. Okay. So yeah, I just saw a Russian. So they're very, very few, but they're present. There's a dog. So we are kind of getting an idea of what it looks like on the northern end. And yeah, so before I came, I heard this perception that, oh, Nha Trang is just only Russians. Like, what? It's not the reality at all. I mean, I see some Russians, of course, but I see way more Vietnamese and Korean. I think I probably see more Korean than there's Russians around, of course. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Okay, so we got another soccer match, so I guess that's something that's popular on the beaches here. The runners are going right through. Okay, so there's some more people exercising. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I guess one of the themes that we're seeing is a lot of kids will put on the orange life preserver, which is actually kind of cool. It's good. It's good that it's like a kind of a thing for them to do that. It's like a bright orange. I wonder if they rent it somewhere. And so yeah, these are the beaches. A lot of people are just kind of wearing their regular kind of shorts, I guess. Not really swimwear. And maybe swimwear. I don't know. I don't know what that. Anyways, barely at the beach. And the central part is still quite a ways away. I guess one thing is the question about a lot of Russians in Nha Trang. I guess the answer could be because it's July. Maybe it's completely different in November and December and such, when Moscow and Vladivostok is you know, freezing cold. It could be completely different at that time period. And I would imagine if I was a Russian person, I would either live here full time and come to the beach, or if you're just on a holiday, you would come anytime but July, because that's an amazing time to be in Russia, I would imagine. Hey. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking through. So yeah. So we're not too far from the center of the beach, which is directly over that way. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go up. So we're gonna just head back up. This is the beaches of Nha Trang. That's basically the northern end right there, and the sunset is going to be coming down pretty much any minute now. So we're going to just head up to the boardwalk, and then we'll have an end to the video. Okay, so that's the northern end of Nha Trang Beach, and I guess we're going to end it right there. Okay, so we are going to come out of this big mess, and I'll show you where we are once we get out of here. Yeah, this is where they park all their bikes at. And that's right in the centerpiece. So I think that would be the northern part, and then this would be the center part right here. So that would be actually our video ending for the southern part of the beach. And just as an aside, it is changing quite a bit. So now up here I'm seeing a lot more Russians, but not right in the camera, but nowhere near as I see Vietnamese, of course. Lotus flower, center part, hotels, and that was our beach.